Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. I am your facilitator Memuna Kokab and you are watching my channel Learning with Memuna. Today I would like to discuss with you daily use sentences which are scold someone in anger. The first one is मेरा पीछा छोड़ दो. Get off my back. The next is तुम कौन होते हो? Who do you think you are? The next is क्या बकवास है ये? What the hell is this? The next sentence is बस बहुत हुआ. Enough is enough. The next one is सब तुम्हारी वजह से हुआ है. It's all because of you. Next is इतने लापरवाह कैसे हो सकते हो? How could you be so careless? The next is दूर हो जाओ मेरी नज़रों से. Get out of my sight. Next is शोर ना करो. Don't make noise. Next is मुझे तंग ना करो. Don't disturb me. Next sentence is उसे गाली मत दो. Don't call him names. Next sentence is अपने भाई के बाल मत खींचो. Don't pull your brother's hair. Next sentence is मुझे घूरना बंद करो. Stop staring at me. Next sentence is मुझे दोबारा मैसेज करने की हिम्मत मत करना. Don't you dare text me again. The next sentence is तो क्या? So what? The next sentence is अपनी हद में रहो. Be in your limit. Next sentence is जो करना है कर लो. Do whatever you want to do. The next one is यहाँ कैसे आए? What brings you here? Next sentence is मेरे रास्ते में मत आओ. Stop getting in my way. Next is छोड़ूंगी नहीं तुम्हें. I wouldn't spare you. I hope you would like the content. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Thank you.